Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can upload a thumbnail to the video that you are going to post on your TikTok account from your PC or even your laptop. To do so, first of all, just log into your TikTok account, and after you have logged in into your TikTok account, you just have to go on to upload your video. And once you're at upload, it will take you to TikTok Studios, from where you just need to select the video that you want to upload. And after selecting your video, you will show you this kind of screen where you can edit your description and also the thumbnail for your video they're going to post on your TikTok account. You can just click on this edit cover, and from here you can choose the photo that you want to upload as thumbnail for your post on TikTok. You can also schedule the video and also run a copyright check, and after you have made all the necessary edits, you can simply just post the video. And that's how you can upload or update thumbnail on your TikTok account from your PC. This is also this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.